Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ActiveCampaign to n8n. We'll go step by step so you can follow along easily, even if you're just getting started. By the end, you'll have a working connection that lets you automate tasks between ActiveCampaign and many other apps inside n8n. First, open your browser and go to your n8n instance. If you don't have one set up yet, you can either use n8n Cloud or install it locally. Log into your n8n dashboard. Next, create a new workflow by clicking the plus button at the top right corner. This opens a blank canvas where you can start building your automation. Now let's connect to ActiveCampaign. Click the plus icon on the canvas to add a new node. In the search bar, type ActiveCampaign and select the node from the list. When the ActiveCampaign node appears, click on it. Under the Authentication section, you'll see a drop-down for credentials. Since this is your first time, you'll need to create new credentials. Click Create New and you'll be asked for two pieces of information: your API URL and your API key. To find these, go to your ActiveCampaign account in a new browser tab. In ActiveCampaign, click on Settings at the bottom left, then click on Developer from the side menu. You'll see your API URL and API key on this page. Copy the API URL first, go back to n8n and paste it into the API URL field. Then go back and copy your API key. Paste that into the API key field in n8n. Once both fields are filled out, click Save Credentials. n8n will now test the connection. If everything was entered correctly, you'll see the credentials saved successfully. Now that we're connected, let's use the node. Under the Operations section in the node, you can choose what kind of action you want to perform in ActiveCampaign. For example, you can choose Create Contact, Update Contact, Get Contact, and more. That's it. You've now connected ActiveCampaign to n8n and created your first automation. You can build more complex flows by adding other nodes like filters, delays, or conditionals to customize your automation even further.